The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, FWD, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heads-up display, power mirrors, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.